Hi, I am Ramina and I am part of the Bbcos technical team. Today we will see how to use Keratin Color, the ammonia-free oxidation coloring based on hydrolyzed keratin. To the delicacy of a color completely devoid of ammonia is added the regenerating strength of keratin to give the hair a truly amazing brightness. The product diluted with keratin oxygen guarantees an unmatched coverage of white hair. Its colors are rich in natural reflections and respect the health of the hair. Today we are in the company of Susanna, who asked us to eliminate the regrowth and cover the white hair. Let's proceed with the diagnosis. Analyzing the current state of the hair, we can see about 1 centimeter of light brown regrowth with a non-uniform percentage of white hair. On the front crown, we detect about 70%, while on the rest of the head, about 20%. To even out the regrowth with its current color, as well as covering 100% white hair, we have to lighten 3 tones the natural color of light brown, level 5. The mixture I will use is 30 grams of 8/0 plus 30 grams 901 plus 90 grams of keratin oxygen 30 volume. Susanna has a particularly robust and refractory hair, so for safety I perform the technique of pre-pigmentation, which consists in applying the pure colour of 1 tone lighter than that used in mixture on the areas that have highest percentage of white hair. We take a 9-0 therefore and apply it directly on the areas concerned. Now we apply the colour on all the regrowth. To obtain the best result, during this step it is important to deposit a substantial quantity of product, respecting the 40 minutes of laying. Before removing the colour, emulsify it with water. We proceed with the application of the post-color Bbcos treatment. Cleanse with acid pH post-color shampoo. Finally, to give more shine to the hair and ensure greater color retention over time, we acidify with the post-color pH balancer and leave it in place for 2 to 3 minutes before rinsing. And here is the result. The lightening and covering of the white hair is a success. Discover all the nuances of Keratin Color on our website and continue to follow us to receive other useful tips.